In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get green theme on your Steam profile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly surface the green look you're after without digging through endless menus. Start from your Steam client or the web version of Steam when you're on the home screen. Look toward the top right corner where your profile name and avatar appear. Click Profile. This takes you to the area that centers on your account rather than the store, which is where all your customization options live. Next, choose View My Profile. This opens the public-facing version of your page, so you can see changes the way others would see them. It's a handy way to preview design tweaks as you go. On your profile page, find and click Theme. This section is where Steam groups the visual elements that shape your overall look, including color accents and styles that tie your page together. Think of it as the doorway to all profile cosmetics. Inside Theme, select Steam Points Shop. The Point Shop is Steam's catalog for profile customizations, including themes, backgrounds, and more. Your points balance, if you have one, usually shows at the top. You earn points from eligible purchases, but don't worry, right now we're just browsing to locate the green theme. Once you're in the Points Shop, click Game Profiles. Game Profiles are complete profile packages inspired by specific titles. They often include coordinated colors, artwork, and accents, which is perfect when you want a cohesive green aesthetic rather than mixing individual items one by one. Now, look to the right side for the search bar. It can be a bit easy to miss because there's a lot on the page, but it's typically along the top right area of the content grid. Using the search is the fastest way to jump straight to the exact profile style you want. In the search bar, type ENA. This search term pulls up the green-themed profile set associated with that keyword. Give it a second to load, then browse the result. You'll be able to preview how the colors and layout look together, so you can confirm it matches the shade and style you had in mind. From there, follow the on-screen options shown in the Points Shop to review details, see what's included, and decide how you want to proceed. That's all there is to it. Click Profile, view your page, open Theme, head into the Steam Points Shop, choose Game Profiles, use the search on the right, and type ENA to bring up the green theme you're looking for. Thanks for watching and enjoy your refreshed Steam profile.